Good morning to all students. Students, now this time moving on very critical time, very crucial time of over the world, causes of the disease corona. So uh, we also very crucial in these situations. So school administrations decided to give him the education by the online. So in this process, today class 12 commerce group students subject economics. Book name is Indian Economic Development and chapter number 3 features, problems and policies of agriculture. Students, today you will read about the agricultures in our countries. What situation of the agricultures? Eve of the independence, after the independence, what contributions to the our GDP, help of the agricultures, and what problem in our agricultures. In this chapter we will read about in this. So first start the introduction. Students, we know that agriculture is the very main part of the development of our countries, because maximum raw materials for the industries come from the agriculture. So agriculture includes all those activities which are related to the cultivations of lands for the production of the crops, food crops like rice and wheat, and non-food crops like jute and cotton. Maximum crops come from the agriculture, like a non-food or a food. So it is the principal components of the primary sector of an economy. It produced such goods which are the essential for the survival of human being. All human being essential things come from the agricultures, and all humans, plants, animals, and humans depend on the agriculture also, which is why crop farming is identified as one of the most significant economic activities across all parts of the world. Maximum part of the world, like industries, extra activities, direct or indirect, depend on the agricultures. So that is very important role agriculture. First, so now look at this the topics: importance of the agriculture in the Indian economic. What role play of agriculture in Indian economy? Agriculture is one of the critical importance in the Indian economy. This fact is highlighted through the following observations. Some following observations. First, contribution to GDP. That is very important topic, and this book also very important because 40 marks will come questions from this book, Indian Economic Development, and 40 marks come from the microeconomics. So this book also very important for you, for the students. Okay, describe the topics. Contributions to GDP. Agriculture make a significant contributions to GDP in India. We know that. GDP, gross domestic product. It is the indicate of the development of countries. GDP. It is the main development. It is the main indicator of the development of the countries. GDP is the an accounting year's whole productions when the measurement in the monetary systems, that's called the GDP, and especially for one and accounting years. So contribution to the GDP, agriculture make a significant contributions to GDP in India during the period of plannings. Planning start of the 1st April 1951. You know that 1st April 1951 start the first 5-year plans. To contribution sector of the GDP has been ranging between the 51 to 40.2% for the different years. Start with the 51% contribution to the GDP, and then after year by year as decreases to 14.2% for the different years. It has tended to the means 51.2 14.2% start time 51%, and then after according up to date time to time either decreases, and now 2011-12 so come from years in the base year like the 14.2% come came of these two topics percent for the different years. It has tended to the declines over times from as high as 51% in the 1951. This 1950 to 51 is the 51%, and then after year to year changes 2011 and 12 come to 14.2%. Based on the new series, for the estimation of the national income, the share of agriculture and the allied sector in the GDP was 17.4% in the 2014 and 15, and 17.2% contribute in the 2014 and 15 years. The declines in the percentage contributions of the agriculture to the GDP does not indicate the decline in the importance of agriculture in the economy. This decline of the numbers 51% to 72%, this is not indicate to the role is the not their role is low of the GDP of the agricultures. It is the role increase also growth of the secondary sector and tertiary sector in the economy. Only it is the primary sector, it is the included the primary sector this economy, this agriculture to change in the secondary and tertiary sectors. So we can call that it is the most important role play in growth of the GDP. And second topic, supply of wages goods. This also important role play agriculture in the supply of the wages goods. Production of the wage goods is on central significance in the crop farming. Wage goods are the necessities of the life such as the wheat, rice, pulses, maize, bajra, oil seeds, etc. Agriculture sector in India provides food to about 121 crore of the peoples and fodder of the about 51 crore of the animals. Means supply of wages goods 121 crore peoples of the country, and something 51 crore animals to provide the food by the agricultures. So agriculture is a very important role play for the foodings of the animals and people both. And third point to employment also important for the every countries. Without employment any country is not development. Maximum people want to employment, so agriculture also help of the employments. In India, agriculture is a significant source of the employment, direct or indirect, both. Over 50% of the working population in India engaged agriculture sector. 50% people in direct engage in the agriculture sector, and engage in implying that agriculture is the principal source of the subsistence for the peoples in India. and near about something 70% people, direct or indirect, to engage in the agriculture sector, like industries related, like fooding processing systems, also since engage in the agriculture sector. Fourth, industrial raw materials. Fourth, industrial raw materials. Agriculture supplies industrial raw materials like cotton for the textile industries, seeds for the oil industries, and sugar canes for the sugar mills. As a supplier of raw materials, agriculture sector is one of primary significance for the growth of the industrial sector in economy. Okay.